In the heart of East Malaysia, life is celebrated with a good harvest season. Each year, we come together to celebrate Gawai and Pesta Kaamatan, a festival that brings everyone together to celebrate life. It is a time to show gratitude, gather with our loved ones, and bathe in the blessings given to us by our ancestors. During this joyous festival, we give thanks for the blessing of rice, because rice is more than just a staple food. It is a symbol of life, tradition, and unity. From the planting of the first seed to the gathering of the golden grains, we honor the rice that feeds our bodies and souls, and the traditions that keep our culture alive.